of each of the following sequences whose general term is given by। इसके 5 पार्ट्स हैं। अब हम इसे 5 पार्ट्स करते हैं इनके। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो चलें हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का पार्ट नंबर 1। अब पार्ट नंबर 1 है 2n plus 1 upon 1 minus 3n। नाउ इसे हम सॉल्व करते हैं। टेकिंग लिमिट as n tends to infinity। Now limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity 2n plus 1 upon 1 minus 3n, infinity by infinity form। Now limit n tends to infinity 2n by n plus 1 by n, one by n minus 3n by n। So limits n tends to infinity 2 plus 1 by n upon 1 by n minus 3। So applying limit as n tends to infinity, we get 2 plus 1 by infinity 1 by infinity minus 3। So 2 plus 0 by 0 minus 3 equals to 2 by minus 3। So minus 2 by 3, this is answer। Question number 1, part number 1। So second part, n square n by 2n square plus 5n। तो इसे हम सोल्व करते हैं। लिमिट्स n tends to infinity, limits n tends to infinity। Now n square minus n, 2n square plus 5n, infinity by infinity form। So limit n tends to infinity n square by n square minus n by n square by n square 2n square upon n square plus 5n upon n square। So limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 1 by n by 2 plus 1 by n, applying limit। So 1 minus 1 upon infinity by 2 plus 2 by infinity। So 1 minus 0, 2 plus 0, equals to 1 by 2 answer. This is second part. Now third part, en equals to 1 plus 2 by n. तो सॉल्व करते हैं. n tends to infinity, an equals to limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 2 by n is infinity by infinity form. So applying limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 2 by infinity. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. This is answer, part number 3. Now part number 4, n minus 1 by n. Limit an equals to n minus 1 by n. Limit an equals to limit n 1 minus 1 by n. So limit an equals to limit 1 minus 1 by n. Limit an equals to limit 1 minus limit 1 by n. So limit an equals to 1 minus 0 equals to limit an equals to 1. This is part number 4. Now part number 5. N power 4 minus n square plus 2 n cube plus 1. So सॉल्व करते हैं. Limit n tends to infinity, an equals to limit n tends to infinity 3n minus 1 n power 4 minus n square plus 2 n cube plus 1. Infinity by infinity form. So limit n tends to infinity and 3n by n minus 1 by n into n power 4 by n power 4 minus n power 4. So n square upon n square plus 2 upon n square into n cube by n cube plus n cube. So limit n tends to infinity n by 5 3 minus 1 by n 1 minus n 1 by n cube n by 5 1 plus 2 by n square 1 plus 1 by n cube. n power 5 n power 5 cancel. Applying limit 3 minus 1 by infinity 1 minus 1 by infinity, 1 plus 2 by infinity, 1 plus 1 by infinity. So limit n tends to infinity, en equals to 3 minus 0, 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, so equals to 3. This is answer. Part number 5. Now question number 6. Determine the limit of the sequence 1 by 1 2, 1 by 2 and 3, 1 by 3 and 4, so on. तो हम इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से सॉल्व करें. वी फाइंड सॉल्यूशन इसका. वी फाइंड इट्स nth टर्म या जर्नल टर्म so taking taking 1 2 and 3 so on, a equals to 1, d equals to 1, so t and a plus n minus 1 d is t n equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into 1, t n equals to 1 plus 1 n minus 1. This is cancelled, so t n equals to n. Again taking 2 3 and 4 so on, a equals to 2, d equals to 1, so t n equals to 2 plus n minus 1 into 1, t n equals to 2 plus n minus 1, so t n equals to n plus 1. Then a n equals to 1 by n into n plus 1, taking limit as n tends to infinity, so limit n tends to infinity, a n equals to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n plus 1, not equal to infinity by infinity form. So applying limit 1 upon infinity plus 1, 1 by infinity, so equals to 0. This is answer. Question number 6. Now question number 7. Find the limit of the sequence 1 into 2 by 3 into 4, 3 into 4 by 5 into 6, 5 into 6 by 7 into 8, so on. Now question number 7, इसे solve करें. Solution. Now taking 1 3 and 5, so on. A equals to 1, D equals to 2. So Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D is AP. Tn equals to 1 plus n to 2 equals to 1 plus 2n minus 2. Tn equals to 2n minus 1. Now again taking 2, 4, 6, so on. A equals to 2, D equals to 2. Then Tn equals to 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. So 2 plus 2n minus 2. Tn equals to 2n. Again taking 3, 5, 7, so on. A equals to 3, D equals to 2. Tn equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. 3 plus 2n minus 2. 2n equals to 2n plus 1. Again taking 4, 6, 8, so on. A equals to 4, D equals to 2. Then Tn equals to 4 plus n minus 1 into 2 plus 4 2n minus 2, 2n plus 2. So Tn equals to 2n plus 1. Then क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ही चल रहा है. Then general term an equals to 2n minus 1 2n. So 2n plus 1 into 2 n plus 1. So 2 and 2 cancel. An equals to 2n square minus n. 2n square plus 2n plus n plus 1. So an equals to 2n square minus n. 2n square plus 3n plus 1. Taking limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. An equals to limit n tends to infinity 2n square minus n. 2n square plus 3n plus 1. So infinity by infinity form. Limit n tends to infinity n square 2 minus 1 by n. So n square 2 plus 3 by n plus 1 by n square. So n square cancel. Applying limit. So 2 minus 1 by infinity by 2 plus 3 by infinity plus 1 by infinity. So 2 by 2 equals to 1. This is question number 7. So last question number 8. A sequence is given by 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 4, 4 by 5, so on. Write down the general term of the sequence and find its limit. This is question number 8. तो हम इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. So question number 8 सॉल्व करते हैं. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 4, and 1 minus 1 by 5, so on. So 1 1 1 1, so on, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, so on. Taking 1 1 1 and so on, Tn equals to 1. Taking 1 minus 1, 1 and minus 1, so on, equals to 1, r equals to minus 1. So Tn equals to ar power n minus 1 minus 1 power n minus 1. Taking 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. E equals to 2, D equals to 1, it's AP. Tn equals to plus n minus 1 into D, 2 plus n minus 1 into 1, so 2 plus n minus 1, Tn is equals to n plus 1. Then nth term is an 1 plus minus 1 upon n plus 1. Taking limit as n tends to infinity. Applying limit n tends to infinity, n equals to limit n tends to infinity 1 plus minus 1 n minus 1 n plus 1 not equal to infinity by infinity. So applying limit equals to 1 plus minus 1 whole power infinity minus 1 infinity plus 1, so equals to 1 plus minus 1 infinity 1 plus 0 equals to 1. This is question number 8. This is question number 1. Question number part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, question number 7, half page, and this half page, question number 8, and so friends, I hope मेरी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो, तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए आप इंतज़ार करें. सी यू सून विथ योर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.